Just make it work. Right. What do we know about plumbing?
Nothing.
It's just water in pipes, isn't it? Do not over tighten the fixings, you barbarian. I think we'll learn most by taking the old one out, eh? I'll try and show that down there. That's the stop tap. Hiding behind that. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Turn the water off. What made you turn it to turn the water off?
No.
Righty tighty. Not off as tight as I do. It's stopping though, isn't it?
Yeah. Ish.
Yeah, but no. No, I think there's still some flow there, isn't there? Whose idea was this? Eh?
It's like Chinese water torture.
Thought I'd play with this one before I try and take the other one off, and I've got more of an idea.
Okay.
Right, it's going. These flexi pipes are going to do it, yeah. So, I think that means just hand tight at the top, and then use a tool at the bottom. You look like they're the right size. Must be all standard stuff, surely. Right, let the games begin. It's great the access in here. I think whoever designed this kitchen really needs some kind of design award. What do we know about plumbing?
It's too dark. I can't see anything. Just so you know. I don't.
Get me fat noggin in. What do we know about plumbing? Absolutely nothing. As I was just saying, they're not really tied up very tight, apart from this one. I can't get me face in there.
Does that board come off?
What board?
The one that you got your forehead against.
Yeah, it was 4 screws.
Hmm.
Don't know, that's just going to take another 10 minutes. I'm not really getting any further forward. I think I just need to do it blind. Like I did the other one. There we go. So it seems whoever tightened those two up was a sensible person. So hopefully they've not gone bananas on this. We'll be able to get the tap off. I might have to lie in there and just get dripped on to get to that bolt, I think. Have you got cloths and stuff? That feeling that you're just about to drop a spanner in your own face and it's gonna hurt. I managed to bend the pipe I didn't want to bend, but not bend the one I did want to bend.
Oh,
What?
the tap's moving.
I need the pipe on the right is stuck against the nut, so I can't spin the nut all the way down to take it off. And the unlike the new one, which has got a slot in the bottom where you could get a screwdriver on it, this one does not have that. So I just need to get like a screwdriver up in there and just bend this copper pipe away from the nut, and then I'll be able to spin it off. There's a reason why they call it DIY.
Yay.
There you go. The old girl's out. Thanks for your terrible service. How's the battery life showing on the camera?
250 minutes.
Should just do it. Do not over tighten the fixings, idiot. Maximum 3 Newton meters, no tools, just do it by hand. I need someone with some skill to do this. So the seal is still sat in the bottom. Oh, no it's not. Before I tighten anything up, I have to make sure that that's definitely sat properly, because it'll be jiggling. So that's the resting place of the tap. You want the resting place to be in the middle of this top bit.
Yeah.
Ish. Because that'll be 45, 45. In the middle is where it's going to be. I suppose it's not on or off, is it? Do you want it there or do you want it on an angle?
I don't mind. In the middle, it's fine.
Okay. I'll do the trick. Those bits. Horsey shoes. I'll screw that in. Probably should have screwed that into the tap first, but you live and learn. Right, I'll screw that into the tap. Nip it up with that bit. 12mm. Why don't I just get a man in? suppose you've got quite a lever on a thing that's only like a millimetre of metal, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
No, that is. That's the sink bending. I'll leave that one. Now then, which pipe was which? Oh, you idiot. Right, on here, look, hot on the left, cold on the right. Right. 1, 2, 3. Right, doing that like that. If the bucket is dry and remains dry.
Is that it?
Yeah. Let's try and dry these off. I don't really want to go back in there. Right, so we've got a bone dry bucket. That one's obviously wet. That's bone dry. I'm going to wildly optimistically leave that under there. Although it's hard to look at, isn't it? But just pull it out and have a look. But, I'm now going to turn the water back on. And we'll see if we leave that bucket there for the afternoon, if it's still dry. You know, if there's not anything immediate. And so far, I don't see any leaks. Now it's had some pressure for a minute or two. Condensation from where the icy cold water's just rushed into those pipe bits. Well, looks alright. We'll leave that under there for the rest of the day. I think she's fine.
Okay.
But that will be the proof of the pudding. Come on, boiler back on.
Underbar.
Any minute now. Here she comes. Here she comes. Oh.
Cool. This is for hand washing purposes.
Be like Doctor, I think.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice action.
Right, am I pressing stop now?
Yeah.